How to replace the motion sensor in Elkay Easy H2O water bottle fillers. You will need a pliers, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and a 4mm Allen wrench. First, unplug the power cord. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the 2 screws at the top of the unit. Remove the top plate. Slide the wall panel upward, then away from the wall. Remove the 2 motion sensor mounting screws. You can clearly see this one has sustained water damage. The replacement from Shop Jimmy has a water-resistant coating to prevent this from happening. Lift the damaged motion sensor away from the chassis. Next, use a pair of pliers to remove the control board cover. Disconnect the motion sensor from the control board. Plug in the new motion sensor to the control board. Replace the control board cover and secure it with the nuts. Set the new motion sensor into place and insert the screws. Line the 3 tabs up with the slots in the mounting bracket and lower the wall panel into place. Replace the top plate and secure it with the 4mm screws. Finally, plug in the water fountain and test the sensor when the bottle count is displayed on the screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more repair tips, tricks, and tutorials.